God inspires the motionless quality of nature and creates the universe. Hello, guys, welcome to my Greta Talks channel. Let us discuss today the 24th thought of the Gita from the 9th chapter, that is, Origin of Cosmos Creation. Though God is not visible to us, its form is seen as a visible creation. God inspires the heavy power or force and creates the visible creation. God's energy passes through all the creatures and entire universe. His strength and power takes the form of the entire universe by divine inspiration. When the creation or the universe comes to an end, the material or visible creation becomes one with the original divine power. Lord Krishna said that I have extended myself as the God throughout this entire universe in my invisible form. All the beings exist in me. I am vast, so I am unable to accommodate within them. As the wind in the sky blows everywhere, all beings in this universe are protected by me. Lord Krishna also says to Arjun that all beings merge in his nature at the end of the universe, and at the beginning of the universe, he or the God again releases and creates them. He says, I control the nature, and under my guidance, nature gives birth to all moving and non moving beings. This is the reason of the continuation of the universe. This thought is revealed through the infinite form of Vishwarup Darshan shown by Lord Krishna to Arjun while narrating the Gita. So friends, the question arises is, how should be our behavior? The ancient rishis thought relevantly about the origin of creation. There are various sects, and each sect has different ideas about the origin of creation. The experts are making many discoveries about the origin of creation. Everyone should get information about this subject, which arouses curiosity in the minds of everyone. We should accept the idea that pleases the mind. We should be curious and think about the origin of creation, which is a sign of a mature thinking. Friends, the story of Ajay will help us to understand the importance of curiosity to understand the origin of creation. Ajay found himself attracted to the thoughtful mysteries about the origin of creation of the universe. His curiosity increased as the days passed, and it forced him to think deeply about it. He wondered about the puzzle of creation in the quiet moments between dawn and dusk. He tried to find the origins of the complicated ideas or the concepts of time and universe, which were and are hard to define. His mind thought and wondered about the vastness of the universe. He saw his own existence like the tiny grains within the vast universe. He found the twinkling of stars in the sky a way to find peace. Ajay thought that he may not get the final answer to satisfy his never-ending curiosity. His desire to analyze the origin of creation was a proof of the human tendency of a mature thinking and to satisfy the eagerness to gain knowledge. Friends, I hope you have liked this story and the 24th thought of the Gita. Let us discuss the 25th thought with the story in the next episode. Please make sure to listen, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes and interesting videos. Thank you, goodbye, and Jai Shri Krishna.